Hello, and today I'll be teaching you data analysis. So first over here we have imported pandas as PD and from pathlib to import path. Now over here we have written the path. So this is where my file is. So this is a file, CSV is a file, it's an Excel file. And over here this line, this reads the CSV. And this line prints it. Dot head means it will print the first 5 rows. And if you write tail here, it's gonna print the last 5 rows. This is the last 5 rows. Well, we use head. Now, so here we are trying to show all data types of the column. So here it's print bedbug df.dtypes. So this prints bedbug and df. Bedbug df. So bedbug df is this one, is a data frame name, and we are printing all the data types. So this is data and this is types. So we can see this is int, this is an object, this is a float. Float means like 2.3, it means like integer, which is 2. So here we want to remove the extra space from the reinfested the dwelling unit count column. So we can see this column is here, right? It's here, and there's extra space. There's this 2 space. You want it to be like this, but it's like this. So this is our data frame. This is our data frame again. So we want to rename. So dot rename. So this will rename it. So that, and the columns will be named reinfested dwelling unit count. So this is the original. So then here you write the original one, the one that has the 2 extra spaces, and here you write the new one. And then in the new one, there's only 1 space instead of 2 spaces. So that's why we get it. So you can see now, over here we only have 1. Over here that we only have 1 space. This one. So this column we're interested in. All of these columns we're interested in. So that means we want to print all of these numbers. So column is, so this is column. Alright? So this is what I've done. Columns. So these are all the columns over here. It's really long, but it does the job. So this is just a variable. Nothing much. It's just a variable. It just says column and all of this. Here print bedbug df dot column. So this is the data frame again, and we want to print a column out of this. So we want to print all of these columns, and column is this one. You can see this. Has to be exact word to word, or else you're getting an error. So you can see all of these, and you can see all of this over here. Like this one here, this one here. You can see all of this. Now, next one. Now we want to extract the year from the date. So as you can see here, this is the date. This is the date. And we want to extract the year. Now, this is a very logical question. As you need a way to do it. So there are many ways to do this, but we're using the one. So we're doing a very logical thing. So I can see that the year is the last 4 digits. You can see the year is the last 4 digits. So this right now, the state of this is an integer. room. So A equals bedbug, so this is a data frame. And then this, like the same one over here, like pretty similar. So we want the filling date of this. We want the filling date of this. And the filling date is this one, as you can see. And as type, str, so this will make it a string. This will make it a string. And str, which means string, and we want to do -4. So if we just do 4, we're just gonna get this. We're just gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we're gonna get. We don't want this. We want the last 4 ones. So you can see is this, like this. So 2021. So as you can see, look, with 2021, 2021, 2021. You can see it's extracted the last 4 digits. The next one is to filter to only buildings with infested units greater than 0. Infested dwelling unit count. So if we want to find this column, it's over here. And we want to filter it with only ones that are greater than 0. We want to filter it that's greater than 0. So you can see here, there's lots of other ones. It's not just 0. There's lots of other columns. But over here, we've only done up to 5. So, infested dwelling unit count. Now, so this is 0, 0. It's going to carry on. But as you can see over here, down, all the way down here. Yes. So look. So we filtered the data frame. So this is just a variable. So this is the data frame. Okay. And we want the bed. So, and unlock means that to pick out certain things. So bedbug df, infested dwelling unit count. So we have used a thing. We have used an operation over here, right? And this continues it, and we've done head, which means we'll print it. It will print the first 5 rows. But over here it says 26, 51. Because the first 5 rows, they all have 0. That's why they're not being printed. So these are the first 5 rows that comes with 0, 5. Here we want to drop null values. Null values means like something like I can't see any right now, but they look like an N and an A. Is when there's no data. So we want to drop them. We want to remove them. So there's not very technical over here. There's not very logical over here to do, because there's a special function, and this is, you just need like 5 words to write this, and the function is drop null. So this will drop all the null values, and we'll do the head, and we'll do head, which means the first 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This won't end in 5 because this also counts as a row. So here, so we're grouping the data frame by year. So this is the group. This is just a variable. This is the data frame bedbug df, and we want to group the data frame by year. And this is filling date. So this is the column with the year. And we are printing the filling date of the bedbug df. So we are printing this column out of this data frame. So this is the function we use. And I just print this group. And here we can see. So I haven't done dot head. I haven't done dot head over here. So instead of pressing the first 5 rows, it's going to fit all of it. But instead of printing everything, it just prints the first 5 rows and the last 5 rows. So that's what it does. But you can see there's lots of values over here. So we're just printing this entire column. Okay, and over here, I just print this thing again. Just print it, and you can see all of this. You can see how we've moved the space. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.